A simple way to grow your Facebook page by using ad. If you do this, you have a massive followers.
Ads Manager. It is your Facebook page fast. I will show you a step-by-step process of how you can get this done even if you have 0 Facebook followers. First of all, you are going to create your Facebook page, and when you have done that, you are going to be having an ad account by default. Then you are going to see at the left hand side here, you will see Ads Manager here. Click on the Ads Manager. It is going to take you to your Meta Ads Manager dashboard, just like this. If you have done previous ad, you're going to see the ad history here. This is just a fresh account I use for illustration purpose. So you're going to click on this create button for you to create an ad to promote your page. I will show you how to do that right away. And you're going to see all this. If you're not familiar with Facebook ad at all, I have a video, step-by-step video to walk you through how to run Facebook ad with your phone and also with your laptop. Facebook followers fast using this method. You are going to be selecting this campaign objective. You see engagement here. Select this engagement objective. When you select the engagement objective, go ahead and click on this continue button, and it will take you to this interface like this. Right here, you're going to see to use a template. This first one is to use an existing template, but I want you to use the manual setup. So select this one, manual engagement campaign, select it, this second one, and go ahead to click on continue. It will take you right here. So I'm going to label this campaign. I will call it page followers. Then I will scroll down. Everything is intact. Go ahead and click on this next button. And right here, you're going to see the ad set name. Still go ahead and edit it. I'll just call it page followers so that I'll know the difference between this ad and other ads. Now pay attention, because this is where your ad objective lies. Whatever objective you select here, the conversion location is what you are going to get. And I will show you how to get that page likes and followers very fast. You are going to see messaging apps, ignore. You will see on your ad, you will see calls, websites, app, ignore all those ones. Go ahead and select Facebook page. When you select this Facebook page, what this ad is going to do is that it is going to maximize this campaign objective, and you will see this performance goal that it is on maximize number of page likes. Leave it like that. When you get the page likes, it automatically give you page followers, and that is what we want to grow. We want you to gain more followers very fast. So next thing you will see here is Facebook page. If you have more than one pages, then click on this drop down button and you select the page that you want. But for the purpose of this video, I want these particular followers for this particular page, Seeker Creative. So I will scroll down because I've selected the Facebook page already, and I'll come below here, click on budget and schedule. So I'm going to be using 1,000 naira per day for this particular campaign. You can use the amount you want to use depending on your own ad budget. So I will come below here and I will see the start date and the end date. Click on this set end date. I will be setting this ad to run for 5 days. So it's starting on the 11th and I want it to end on the 15th. So it is going to be running for 5 days, and I'll set the ad to end by 12 a.m. midnight. So I will scroll down here, and the next thing I'm going to set here is the audience. There are a lot of options you will see here. You are going to see advanced plus audience. I don't like that one. I'm going to be setting my audience by myself. I like the manual audience. So I'm going to come here and I will edit this location. Because my business is located in Port Harcourt, I want to select only Port Harcourt audience. That's what I want to do here. I want to select only Port Harcourt because it's a physical business that I'm running this campaign for. So I'll select Port Harcourt, Rivers State, and that is the only audience that I'm going to be selecting for this particular campaign. So right here, I've selected Port Harcourt. I will come down below and select the age bracket. So I want people from 22 years and above. So I'll select 22 and I want it to end at 55. So I'm selecting those from 22 years and 55. These are the people that I want within Port Harcourt. So I have audience size of 1 million, 1.1 million. So for gender, I'll select both gender. So let me come under the detailed targeting here Let me assume that your page is about interior decoration. So what you will do under detail targeting is to select those who are interested in interior deco. So you enter the keyword interior deco. When you enter interior deco as your keyword, you will see interior design. You will see this one, you will see by interest. You will see job title, you will see interior design and decoration, field of study, you will see employers. These employers, ignore employers because these are those who are your what? Competitors. This field of study are those who are studying interior decoration. This job title are those who own interior decoration. These are decorators. So these people are competitors. Go ahead and select this one of interest. These interests are those who are customers who are interested in interior design. So you select this interest and it's going to filter those who are interested in this. You see that my audience size has changed. It is now between 380,000 people to 447,000 persons. These are the people that are interested in my page, and that is what I want to use. The beauty of setting this kind of audience for your page is because, especially if you're doing business, it's only those who are interested in this kind of topic that you are going to be able to target. And in case you're not into interior decoration, depending on what you are into, if you're into luxury products, if you're into fashion items, if you're into online education, whatever be the case, go to this detail targeting and target the keyword that you're into, and with that you'll be able to select your own target audience. Then after that, go ahead and click on this save this audience, and you are going to enter the audience name that you want to save here, and with that you'll be able to save the audience. So for instance, let me just write interior design here, and I will type the age grade 24 to 55. So here I will edit the audience name to interior design 22 to 55 PH. So this is the location. I located Port Harcourt, and that's why I'm using this PH. I'm using this to know the type of audience, the age bracket, and the city. Then I'll click on this save. Now that I've saved the audience, I can use it some other time as the audience performs well. Then I will come over here to placement, and you can see this edit button right here. I'll click on this edit. Then I will ignore this recommended placement and I'll go to manual placement. I'll select this manual placement and I will leave this placement only on Facebook. Then I will scroll down and I will click on next. So with this, I will still go ahead and edit this name. I'll call it followers. All right, so let's continue. At this point in time, we are already on adding our ad creative. So right here, this is the page, Facebook page that I'm using, and you will scroll down. So before you come over here, you must have created the image you want to use or the video. So when you click on this media, you are going to click on add media, select image or video that you want to use. So for instance, I want to use video. And now what the kind of video or the kind of image you will use is where you are inviting people who are interested in what you are doing to like and follow your page for more updates about that thing or for tips on that particular topic or whatever that you are offering people, the value that you're offering people on that page. That is what you invite them to, that they should like the page so that they don't miss out on those tips, right? So I'll click on add video. So right here, I'll click on this upload button to upload my video, right? So I'm going to select from my folder and impute, select the particular video that I want to use. So that is what you will do. After uploading the video, the next thing you will enter is your primary text. So you can enter your primary text by writing that on this page, you offer valuable content on interior design, that they should follow you for more tips or for more valuable content on interior design. That's what you write on your primary text here. So after that, you scroll down, and with that, your ad is already set for page followers and likes. So if you have not added money on your ad account, you are going to add money. You are going to see the video on how to add fund to your ad account at the description of this video in case you're totally new to Facebook ad. And we have the link of all those videos. The beginner video for beginners on how to run Facebook ads on your laptop or on your phone, and also how to add fund to Facebook ad account. The link to all those videos will be at the description of this particular video. So at this point in time, and you know you have added money to your Facebook ad account, then you are going to see this publish button. Then go ahead and publish, and with that you'll begin to see how your Facebook page followers and likes will be growing very, very, very fast. What some of you do is that you go about inviting your family and friends to like your page. I don't think that is ideal, because those people are not interested in what you are doing. They are just following so that it doesn't be as if they are not supporting you. But I believe this is the best way to get ideal followers who are interested in what you are actually doing. If you have